split AC not cooling? Here's why. Have you ever turned on your split air conditioner on a hot summer day, only to find that the room is still warm after several minutes? This is one of the most common problems homeowners face. Many people immediately think that the AC has run out of gas, but in reality, there can be several different reasons why a split AC is not cooling properly. In this video, we will discuss the most common causes of poor cooling in a split air conditioner and explain how these problems can be identified and solved. Understanding how a split AC cools. Before discussing the problems, it is important to understand how a split AC works. The indoor unit absorbs heat from the room air and transfers it to the refrigerant. The refrigerant then carries this heat to the outdoor unit, where it is released into the outside air. When all components are working correctly, the system continuously removes heat from the room and provides comfortable cooling. If any part of this process is interrupted, cooling performance can decrease significantly. Dirty air filters. One of the most common reasons for poor cooling is a dirty air filter. The filter is designed to trap dust and dirt before air passes through the evaporator coil. Over time, the filter becomes clogged and restricts airflow. When airflow decreases, less air passes over the cooling coil, causing the room to cool much more slowly. In severe cases, the evaporator coil may even start freezing. Cleaning the air filters regularly is one of the easiest and most effective ways to maintain proper cooling performance. Dirty evaporator or condenser coils. The indoor evaporator coil and outdoor condenser coil play a major role in the cooling process. If dust, dirt, or grease accumulates on these coils, heat transfer becomes less efficient. A dirty evaporator coil cannot absorb heat properly from indoor air, while a dirty condenser coil cannot release heat effectively outside. As a result, the AC may run continuously but still fail to cool the room properly. Regular coil cleaning helps maintain maximum cooling efficiency and lower energy consumption. Low refrigerant gas. Another common cause of weak cooling is low refrigerant charge. Refrigerant is the substance responsible for absorbing and carrying heat throughout the system. If there is a refrigerant leak, the AC may still operate, but cooling performance will gradually decrease. You may also notice ice forming on the indoor coil or refrigerant pipes. Because refrigerant systems operate under pressure, leak detection and gas charging should always be performed by a qualified HVAC technician. Incorrect thermostat or remote settings. Sometimes the problem is much simpler than people expect. The air conditioner may be set to the wrong operating mode. For example, if the unit is accidentally set to fan mode instead of cool mode, the fan will run but no cooling will occur. Similarly, setting the temperature too high may make the room feel uncomfortable. Always check that the AC is operating in cool mode, and that the desired temperature is set correctly before assuming there is a technical fault. Frozen evaporator coil. A frozen evaporator coil can also reduce cooling dramatically. This usually happens because of restricted airflow, dirty filters, blocked coils, or low refrigerant levels. When ice forms on the coil, air cannot pass through properly, causing cooling performance to drop. If you notice ice on the indoor unit or refrigerant pipes, turn off the cooling mode and have the system inspected before continuing operation. Outdoor unit problems. The outdoor unit is responsible for releasing heat absorbed from the room. If the condenser fan stops working, airflow becomes blocked, or the condenser coil becomes heavily contaminated with dirt. The system cannot remove heat efficiently. This causes higher operating pressures and reduced cooling performance. Keeping the outdoor unit clean and ensuring adequate airflow around it can help prevent these issues. Electrical and capacitor problems. Electrical faults can also affect cooling. A weak capacitor, damaged wiring, faulty contactor, or failing compressor may prevent the system from operating normally. In some cases, the indoor fan may work while the compressor fails to start. When this happens, the AC appears to be running but produces little or no cooling. Electrical repairs should always be performed by trained HVAC professionals for safety reasons. Oversized heat load in the room. Sometimes the air conditioner itself is working properly, but the room gains heat faster than the AC can remove it. Direct sunlight through windows, poor insulation, open doors, or too many occupants can increase the cooling load. Closing windows, using curtains, and reducing unnecessary heat sources can help the AC maintain a comfortable temperature more effectively. Importance of regular maintenance. Most cooling problems can be prevented through regular maintenance. Cleaning filters, inspecting coils, checking refrigerant levels, and servicing electrical components help keep the system operating efficiently. Preventive maintenance not only improves cooling performance, but also reduces electricity consumption and extends equipment life. Conclusion. If your split AC is not cooling properly, the cause could be something simple like a dirty filter or incorrect settings. Or it could be a more serious issue such as low refrigerant, frozen coils, or compressor problems. Understanding these common causes helps homeowners identify problems early and take appropriate action before major damage occurs. Regular maintenance remains the best way to ensure reliable cooling, lower energy bills, and longer system life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC educational videos and practical air conditioning tips.